Hello and welcome to Business Bytes. I'm Amaranthi Kitson. The JSE was down by 2.5% to close at 27,342 points. We spoke to Wayne McCurry from RMB looking at the euro weakness.
Got big euro exposure. If you look at what the market's done, it's hit the SAPIs and the Mondis that have big European exposure. So they have been pounded today. But, to reiterate what I said earlier on, this package is actually big enough to sort out this problem. So I don't think this is the start of a new trend. The euro will go weaker simply because European growth probably be below global growth for a sustained period. But, the market's a fickle thing. I mean, less than probably 4 months ago, we were all convinced it was structural dollar weakness.
The Nigerian market ended the day down by 0.2% at 27,753 points. We spoke to Ayodele Aladare of Cowrie Asset Management looking at the market performance this week.
It's quite noticeable that Nigerian investors are speculative investors. I think this is the second time the market is dropping in a week, dominated by the bulls. Of course, on a week-to-date basis, the market has done 1%, I think 0.91% on the upside. So we've seen a lot of speculative activities amidst corporate actions that have been unimpressive. We've seen drops in profits, especially from blue chips like Guinness. Today, we also saw the huge loss posted by Sterling Bank, about well over 9 billion loss. And although the first quarter of Sterling Bank's result was, relatively okay.
The NSE 20 ended the day up by almost 1% at 4,288 points. We spoke to Wayaki Hinga of Wayaki & Associates looking at Safaricom.
I agree with you in terms of as much as the rest of the world seems to be running into problems, there's a lot of positive outlook in Africa, and going by that, you look at Safaricom trading about 173 million shares between 5 shillings and 55 and a high of 6 shillings to close at 5 shillings and 70. So that goes to show you that there's a lot of positive sentiment as far as the markets are concerned.
For more news and videos, go to abndigital.com.